7-8 Chevy boy. I know y'all get tired of me saying that, don't you? I don't care. This came with the plate. Y'all already did what's going on, don't you? I'm gonna get a little creative, man. I think that. Yep, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to come like that, baby. Put the LSx in the middle of that joint. LSx in that joint. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? It's gonna be nice. So, y'all see what's going on? I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together. Then come back once both of them applied on the truck, man. Alright. This is I'm riding Chevy, best believe a nigga packing. And my nigga tutu with me, so don't play, cause this ain't taking. I got my niggas with me, so you know that we be acting. It go live off in Jackson, so don't think I just be rapping. My nigga don't be trapping, and my Chevy, it be slapping. When I pull up in my whip, they be like, how shit be, what's happening? 26 is on my whip, so my Chevy sitting mean. Be reading them niggas lips, they be like, that nigga clean. I pull up on them hoes, and I see they mouth drop. And then I smash out, before they even get the pop. Don't stop, I be dancing in my Chevy, but my nigga on pop. Passing by you in my Chevy, so my nigga gon' chop. Smash out for the scene, bending corners, watching screens. Man, you can't tell me shit, I'm riding clean. In my Chevrolet. Yeah, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. Got that LSx on that thing, man. On the back. I'll tell you one thing. That adhesive they got on the back of there. That adhesive they got on there. Man, once you put it on, it ain't coming off, man. It ain't coming off, bro. Yeah. But it turned out good. It was in the front, man. It turned out good. I could have stood to bring it over a little bit more to the left. But like I say, when it's on there, man. Yep. It's all good though. They gonna know it when they behind me. We gonna have LSx right there. One dead OBS right there. And let me go show you the front, man. Be right back. Yeah, man. That's that front. Can't see it real good because it got dark out here. I'm gonna put a little light on it. That's the LSx Plate, man. Just did it myself. I tried to put the chrome trim around it, but it was too bulky. The way this black piece is made on here, so I just put the screws in with the caps, with the chrome caps, man. I'll definitely give y'all a better look later. That make me wanna make the bow tie red, man. With that gold hitting so hard, that OG gold, that's an OEM part, man. I don't know if I'm gonna paint that. I might wrap it. Yeah, get them to throw me a red wrap on there. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's the LSx Plate, man. That's it. 7-8 Chevy boy. Cayenne. Fresh tune. On to the next, man. Whatever is next. Maybe carpet or windshield, man. I don't know. But we're gonna fix that actuator door, though. We're gonna definitely get to that. 7-8 Chevy boy. Young Scoop. Yes, sir. Y'all stay out the way, man. Remain humble. Stay prayed up. Be blessed. We out. LS Powered. Step Size Short Bed Project, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We out. One bad OBS plate on the way. I go pick it up tomorrow. And we out.
Mixtape, nigga. Hoes be looking at me. They know me by my Chevy before they ever even met me. This is I'm riding Chevy, best believe a nigga packing. And my nigga tutu with me, so don't play, cause this ain't taking. I got my niggas with me, so you know that we be acting. It go live off in Jackson, so don't think I just be rapping. My nigga don't be trapping, and my Chevy, it be slapping. When I pull up in my whip, they be like, how shit be, what's happening? 26 on my whip, so my Chevy sitting mean. Be reading them niggas look, they be like that nigga clean. I pull up on them hoes and I see they mouth drop, and then I smash out before they even get the pop. Don't stop, I be dancing in my Chevy, but my nigga on pop. Passing by you in my Chevy, so my nigga gon' chop. Smash out for the scene, bending corners, watching screens, man. You can't tell me shit, I'm riding clean. In my Chevrolet.